Hey Nesties, it's Netta, your, your gardener from Florida Zone 10A. And if you don't know me, I'm Netta. I'm your host on Netta's Nest. I am a mother. I am a wife. Oh crap, my seeds just got soaking wet. These are my red Creole onions. Snap. Crap. I was just talking about onions. Now I gotta find somewhere to plant them. That just totally threw me completely off. Okay. I gotta get those planted because they're gonna germinate. Hopefully they'll germinate. So I was coming to back to what I was talking about. I was gonna make a comment to. Probably should have been making a comment to, but I was gonna make a comment to watermelon wars. Even though we're all participating in watermelon wars, but it's mango wars with the pests out here. I tell you, I found out last season, blue jays eat mangoes. I'm gonna say mango war. Blue jays eat mangoes. Red woodpeckers eat mangoes. Red cardinals eat mangoes. The squirrels eat the mangoes, and then the disease eat the mangoes. That's 5 things of nature versus me that's trying to get these mangoes growing. So I figure, okay, I'm gonna step out of town for a couple days, and I better pick my mangoes. Even though they're green, I know mangoes will continue to ripen and they'll be just as sweet because I think the sweetness is already set in with how sweet they're gonna be. I've already picked one. I was not giving them squirrels this mango. This is one of my biggest mangoes, and I tell you, it's from the tree over here. Typically my mango tree give us mangoes this size. My mangoes are now, I don't know, about the half this size. It's just embarrassing. I probably had 3 on my good mango tree that were this size, and I'm gonna pick them. So I got this one because the squirrel's not getting it, the cardinal not getting it, the blue jay not getting it, the woodpecker not getting it. What's the other one? The squirrel not getting it, and the disease not getting it. I do have another one that I picked that the disease looks like it was starting to get it, but that's all right. I'm gonna peel the skin off of him and eat him just as well. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me while I get up in this tree and pick some of my mangoes that look like they're starting to have some issues, but I'm not giving it to the squirrel and I'm not giving it to the other birds, and I'm gonna probably pull 2 more. And you guys so tight, you're coming with me. It's coming down. That's 3 of them. I'm gonna go out there and get them. A little bit of rain ain't hurting the body. Because if I don't get them, the squirrels will. Get stuff out of the way. There's another one over here I want to try and get. Can't see it from that angle over here. My eye on that one. Two of them, two more just dropped. I'm gonna go pick them up, and then I'm gonna show y'all what the squirrels do for us. And these are just the ones that the couple that I saw that I needed to get, or I know when I came back home they were gonna be destroyed. This is what the squirrel is gonna do all season. Pull y'all closer. I don't want to get my camera wet. That's what they're gonna do all season. And they go eat on them and eat on them and eat them until they find a right one. And usually the right ones are the real nice big ones. So they'll do this all season. And they'll do it all day long. The squirrels will. Now the birds, they'll usually eat the ones off the ground. But this is what happens. It's such a it's animals, we gotta share. Alrighty, that's enough for me playing in the rain in Lightning Capital with this. Alright, I'll be back. I'm so excited it's raining because we can use God's water. So this is my harvest for today. Because I don't think I'm going to get anything else. Oh yeah, hold on, one more thing I need to go get. It's so hot out here, y'all. I don't mind harvesting in the rain. This water feels good. And it seems like since it's been raining, my watermelons are going ham. But I've been putting my tomatoes in little baggies, and as you see, they're little, but it's blushing. Blushing, blushing, blushing. And I'm sure my daughter should be looking for tomatoes every morning to go with her breakfast. Let me get them out of the bag. And then I can show you guys my little harvest here I got going on my table. I still haven't eaten my pumpkin. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But this is a nice mango harvest. Nice ones. So these are ripening still while they're sitting up here, but I know they're gonna be safe right here on the porch. That was in the bag and I still got some damage. I don't know, maybe I can cut that off. That's a pretty good one. No damage on that, but it's split. They're gonna eat the same. I've been finding up under here, I've been finding holes. Don't look like there's none over here. These are this is a mushroom basket. It's a little one. There's a big one over there that's gonna sit in the palm of my hand. It's not ready yet. But honey, a tomato is a tomato. I'm learning. They all eat the same. Small, little, indifferent. I think these are black crumb. You see it on the shoulders here and the disc, see that? I think these are black crumb. They were over there by that black crumb sign. Can't be positive that's what it is. And this is a mushroom basket. They have potential to get big, but these aren't big. There's one huge one, and all the rest of them are less than a palm size. So my 5 little tomatoes, my 6 cherry tomatoes, 3 okra. I picked out my okra yesterday. I've been eating okra for the past 3 days. And my mangoes. I would say that's a win-win. So today is a win for the nest. Nugget snatched the snake out of the air again. The nest got some rain, and plus we got a little harvest. That's a win-win. I gotta get these somewhere to dry. I won't complain. All right, guys. Leave me bend it down, just pick it up. All right, guys, it's beautiful out. It's raining. It feels good. The temperature has dropped. I'm going to say it's in the 80s, which is fabulous because the 90s is brutal and hellish. But today it is in the 80s. I think I'm going to end up throwing it away. I get distracted. And it feels good. So, like I said, I don't mind harvesting in the rain. It feels good. It really feels good. So until next time, guys. Bye.